Aloha!
We are so excited. We have our favorite week coming up.
You're excited again?
I'm excited again.
She's always excited.
I am a lot of the time excited.
A lot of the time. But then again, I am too.
You are too.
Yeah.
So Aloha Week is one of our favorite times because we get to open up our place to the community so you guys can come in and get some free care. And we just love seeing our favorite people and seeing so many new faces.
Yeah, give it away and just, come alongside people, find out if there's anything going on with their body or their health that's bothering them that they'd like to see improve. Then we just listen to them, find out what that is, and do a little assessment, give them a little free treatment, and and see where it goes from there.
So we're always raising money for local charities, so we'll be doing that at the event, and we always have a raffle for some fun prizes, so it's a lot of fun. Bring your friends and family. You can bring anybody with you, and it's going to be, like we said, the 8th through 11th, so Tuesday to Friday, basically all day, so you get to come in for some free care. Make sure you sign up for your spot soon because it always fills up really quickly. So give us a call at 949-497-2553. You can also visit our website at healthandbalance.com, and you can go to /aloha-week and sign up for your spot there. So we're looking forward to it. We're excited to see you guys.
Yeah.
Aloha's in the air.
Aloha. Come on.